we're looking at a beautiful 3-bedroom house in Magna Manilva, which are really spacious, excellent location, just a few minutes from the port, 20 minutes to Gibraltar and 5 minutes to the beach. As you come in, you've got your open plan kitchen with granite tops, a new Siemens induction stove, microwave, new oven, Siemens, large fridge, air conditioning hot and cold. The floors are treated travertino marble throughout. This is the guest bathroom, everything on the same level. So the house is split in 2 levels. Main level is the living room, kitchen, guest bathroom, and access to the terrace. Unobstructed view to the pool, and also today we can't appreciate it, but we've got Gibraltar just around the corner of the building. It's about 1 o'clock and the sun is shining in. It's a nice sized terrace with new tiled floors imitating wood, but it is tiled, very modern nowadays. Double glazing, fitted spotlights. So the house is split on a lower level that you come down through here, this staircase coming down, and here you've got another bedroom, lounge, bathroom. I'm going to show it to you in a minute. And then we've got 2 bedrooms on the first floor and a roof terrace at the very top. So as we come in, living room, kitchen, and the staircase coming up to the bedrooms. And here we've got a TV room just in between both bedrooms, which is also, can be separate beds for the kids, grandkids. Master bedroom to our left, built-in wardrobes. Really nice sized bathroom. Stunning view, very sunny. Second bedroom, also with an ensuite bathroom and bathtub. All really nice finishings. We've got this star or sky light giving you this beautiful shining into the staircase. And the sunroof. I don't know if you can appreciate that we've got just Gibraltar and Torreguadiaro, sto grande. Just some few minutes away. Space for the units, for the air conditioning units, that gives you hot and cold air. Nice countryside view. And this villa is about to be fully refurbished. And they've already commenced the work, which is mainly the interior work that's been done. Excellent space. You've got electric coming out here, so you could have, well, could sit in a little kitchen. You've also got the water connection. So you could do another outside space to enjoy with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching this video. You have a great day. Please like and subscribe. And for any questions, contact us. So as you come down from the staircase from the main level, you've got this lounge. This property has been used for rental purposes, so it was perfect for two families. It's got a little lounge here, your office, and bedrooms, TV, windows with mosquito nets, built-in wardrobe, and of course bathroom on the same level. Separate, self-contained apartment, almost walk-in shower, new washing machine and new tumble dryer, and of course, very important, storage rooms for golf clubs and extra that you might have, tools, bed linens, whatever you need.